Hello everyone, my name is Lubaba Shehu, together with our team Top Notch, and we're going to be talking on the topic which is in line with the SDG Goals Code 5, which is clean water sanitation. The researches have been made that over a certain of people die because of cholera and diarrhea due to unsafe and also insufficient taking of water. This have been caused due to dumping of waste substance or chemical substance, which include refuge, and also due to oil spillage. This has caused loss of life of different people because of this dumping of waste substance, and this also kills aquatic organisms in the water. So my team actually decided that we need to put an end to the death of people who have been dying because of this particular issue that we have, especially in our country, Nigeria, today. So we decided to create an app called Water Excel. On this app, we're able to create awareness, also enlighten people about the safety of taking water, about the care and also the way of which people transfer of dump or waste substance into the water, which can lead to death of some living organisms and also causes harm to human health. So we also want to partner with the environmental agencies who will help us by going around environment areas and places, which will help us by cleaning up water.
As my teammate said earlier, we are solving SDG 6, clean water and sanitation. As she said earlier, Water Excel is a very safe and easy app to use. You just have to follow a few steps, and if you have never used our app before, you can just sign up as a new user. The following steps are: sign up using your email, phone number and others. After signing up, you can go to our policy and privacy page, and then finally our home page. When you reach the home page, you're going to see something that says state your water pollution problem, meaning tell us what problem you have with the water. After checking that, you will type your problem and send it to us, also your location, so that we can know where you are talking from. After checking out your problem and discussing with you, we go to that particular location to check whether the problem is really that serious or not and how we can be of any help to you. We then go to that environment with our partners, a water purifying company, and then we help you purify, meaning sanitize your water. After that, you give us your feedback on our app.
We are just here to make sure that our vision is for us to aim and learn and understand, why our motto is for us to be able to excel in all ramifications of life. And we are here to solve our everyday problem, not just one. We'll try to make sure that we solve every one of them with a positive answer.
Our company can earn money from our app through our service of purifying water and also packing decks which are close to dam areas and the ones in our environment to avoid pollution.